I've had a lot of different jobs in my life, and every single time I would start my workday, I would always think to myself, I hate this. Would I be able to create a career as a content creator? And there's only one way to find out, right? So I quit. And there's a lot of people that don't make it work, whether they're staying at the job or they don't. I think there's a couple of ways where you can start making a living and escape the 9 to 5. Now, keep in mind, this is not my case right now, but I'm growing to it, and I believe there's a couple of things that you can do in order to maximize your chances. First of all, if you believe you can't do it, then you're probably right. You probably can't. But if you believe you can do it, well, you're probably also right, and you probably will be able to do this. Now, in my case, I believe that I will be able to do this full time, 100%. But if I didn't believe it, then I would probably have to stay at a job that I hated or that I loved. It never happened to me so far, but it could happen. And no matter what, I will make this thing work. So, some of you may know if you're a regular on this channel that my goal is to get monetized by the 15th of April of this year. This will not be the only way to do this, but that's the goal right now. And then there'll be some other goals in the future, but that's the goal. And I truly believe that I will be able to get monetized by the 15th of April. Now, will it work? Will it not work? We'll have to wait and see, but it can happen. So, I think that the main thing in order to be able to make this work and do this as a career, whether it's YouTube or something else, but right now we're talking about YouTube and being a content creator, is the belief that you can do it. This will be the main thing because if you believe you can do it, you'll learn about it. You'll stay consistent. You'll learn how to improve things. You'll basically obsess over it. And if you want something that a lot of people don't have, aka being able to make a living on YouTube or as a content creator, there's not that many people that do this. So if you want to do this, then you'll have to do something that a lot of people don't. And if you're able to obsess over it and do this over and over and over again, and some days will be better than others, some months will be better than others, and sometimes you'll feel like nothing is working. I made a video about this when I talked about my analytics last week, because you'll see this on Wednesday, so not that Monday, but the one before that. Like that week just wasn't great. Everything sucked. I had hardly any views. People weren't watching my videos, and you still have to have the firm belief that you'll be able to push through this. And I still believe, I truly believe that I can do this. Now it does suck. I hated it. Every single time I don't get any views, that I don't like it. But that's the way the YouTube works. It's sometimes you're in the zone where nothing is actually going to happen. So hopefully I'll be able to push through that. And the only way I'm able to push through that is because I believe I can. And that's where most people quit, is they don't believe that they can go to the next level. Now, I'm not going to talk about the strategies that you should use and all that stuff, but I think the mindset is more important than other things right now, because I can't talk about the strategies because right now I'm not monetized. When I will be monetized, or I start getting at least a few more views, then I can start talking about it. But right now, that's the way it is. And I'm just sharing my journey and sharing what I learn along the way. What I can talk about is trying to emulate the people that have success. And by the way, if you're still watching this video, thank you so much, because a lot of people have quit by now. So make sure you're subscribed. Anyway, if you study the people that have success, then there's a good chance that you can do the same. Now, when I see people that have success, I don't do the exact same videos, post the exact same thing and just be a copycat. However, I'm able to get inspired by them, maybe take some things out of them. Maybe, why did I click on that video? What made me click? Maybe I can do the same thing. What made me stay on the video and not quit and still watch that video? Maybe there's something there. And by doing that over and over again, you just improve your content as you should. And that's just the way that you're going to improve. Now, there's another way to improve, and that is getting people engaged. Now, I'm lucky enough to start getting some comments on my channel. Usually it's only one, but sometimes it's more than that, and from different people. And if you leave a comment, like, that means the world to me, by the way. But getting people to engage is just the best feeling in the world. It's connecting with your audience. And I speak like when I speak like this, I realize that I really care about this. This is not something that I just want to do because I want to do it for just being able to say that I'm a content creator or I can make a lot of money or whatever it may be, because the truth is, most likely you won't make a lot of money for a very, very long time, and that's okay. So you truly have to love it. And if you love it, you'll be able to stay consistent, which is something that a lot of people don't manage to do, is post all the time. Now, I post 3 times a week, and I've been doing this for quite a while. I did skip one time when I was kind of rethinking my channel. But that's it. I never ever, other than that, I never ever skipped a day. So I will post 3 videos a week no matter what. And maybe you can't post 3 videos a week, but still you have to stay consistent, put yourself on a schedule where you're able to do this. There's no excuse, because this is my goal. This is the one thing that I have to do every single week. After that, we'll see. But that's the main priority. And that's how you're able to succeed, if you're able to obsess over things. So with that being said, hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're wondering what it's like, what my analytics look like, I post a video every single Monday. So last Monday was pretty good. The one before, not so good. So there's the ups, the downs. So make sure you watch those videos. With that said, I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.